No one really tells you this, but creating professional AI videos for your clothing brand isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to hire expensive videographers and spending hours learning complex video editing software, and it was literally exhausting. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 clear steps that show you how to create stunning, professional clothing brand videos using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. Here's the thing. Traditional methods either cost thousands of dollars for professional shoots or require you to master complicated software that takes months to learn. However, Dzine AI changes everything by enabling you to create high-quality fashion videos with just a few clicks and simple prompts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create eye-catching videos that showcase your clothing designs, how to make your models look natural and professional, and how to export everything perfectly for any platform. Plus, I'll share the link in the description so you can try this yourself. Step 1. Setting up your account and understanding video AI options. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started is literally so much easier than you think. When I first opened Dzine AI and saw all the options, I was like, wait, this is actually super simple. The interface is totally clean and beginner friendly. First, we start by creating your account. Once you log in, you'll land on the homepage. Then we continue by moving to the tools section. Look at the top navigation area and click View All. Once you click that, you'll see multiple creative tools. Scroll down and select Text to Video. On the left side, you will see the AI Video Control panel. In the center, there is the main canvas where the video will be generated. On the right side, you will see your previous generations appear as thumbnails. Everything is clearly separated, which makes the workflow very beginner-friendly. Dzine AI supports 20 languages, so you might be able to use your mother language if you're bilingual. Now here's what most people don't know. There are actually 2 main ways to create videos, and choosing the right one makes all the difference. You'll see keyframe and reference options. Let me break this down super simply. Keyframe is one way to create a video based on provided images and prompts. Keyframe is perfect when you just want to upload one image and write a prompt. So if you choose keyframe mode, make sure you already have the photos you want to turn into videos. There are 2 keyframe options. First is start and last, that allows you to create a smooth motion between 2 specific images. So if you want to use this method, you need 2 images. One is the starting point of the frame and the end point of the frame. Now let's move to another exciting method. Now we're going to click any frame. This feature generates free movement without a fixed end frame, so you can go creative without thinking about the start and last frame. Click on the upload button and add your photos. Let's move on to the next generation option. Reference is the super cute feature. Today, because it's literally a game changer for clothing brands. It maintains visual consistency between your uploaded assets. Since you're creating from scratch, you will now see upload slots clearly separated into 2 categories. The first category is character. This is where you upload the model's face to maintain identity consistency. The second category is layer. This is where you upload clothing designs, products, or additional visual elements. We can drag and drop the images and make sure to name them so you won't confuse them later. You can also put the type of images we mentioned earlier here. Now, we have elements we could work on. Here's what most people don't know. The reference option is specifically designed for fashion content, so it understands fabric textures and clothing movement way better, but wait until you see what happens in the next step. Step 2, crafting the perfect prompt for professional results. Now here comes my most exciting part. This is where the magic literally happens. When I discovered how powerful the prompt section is, I was totally obsessed. The AI actually listens to every single detail you give it, and the results are incredible. Look at the prompt box under your uploaded images. This is where you will type your instructions. The clearer and more detailed you explain, the better the result. Now, we can start building our prompt structure step by step. Here's the secret formula that changed everything for me. Your prompt needs 8 key elements: subject plus action, plus camera shot, plus camera movement, plus lighting, plus mood, plus style, plus detail. If you want to insert your uploaded reference, type the @ symbol. A small list will appear. Click on your uploaded element, like at model_face or at clothing_design. It will automatically appear inside your sentence. Here's exactly how I write mine. At model_face, wearing at clothing_design, walking gracefully towards the camera. Full body shot, slow dolly zoom in, soft golden hour sunlight, calm and sophisticated, cinematic editorial style, realistic fabric texture, and wind blowing through hair. Now, we're at the super cute part. Before hitting generate, adjust these settings. Once your prompt is ready, scroll down to the model selection area. Click the models button. You will see options such as Video Q1, Google Veo 3.1, and Kling Video 01. Each model has different duration options and credit costs. For example, Video Q1 supports 5 seconds. Google Veo 3.1 offers 1080p with 8 seconds duration. Kling Video 01 supports 1080p. For flexibility, I will choose Kling Video 01. Right next to the model settings, you will see the aspect ratio options. These are usually displayed as selectable icons, such as 1:1, 9:16, or 16:9. Choose the one that matches your platform. Square for Instagram feed, vertical 9:16 for Reels or TikTok, horizontal 16:9 for YouTube or website. Here I will choose 16:9. Next, select 1080p for a clean and professional result. Then choose your video duration. For the sample, I will go with the 5-second option. You can start with 3 or 4 seconds, so you can test the motion quickly before generating longer clips. Here's what most people don't know. The order of words in your prompt actually matters. Put the most important elements first. Trust me, what happens next will literally blow your mind. Step 3, previewing and refining your video. Now here comes my most critical part. This step separates amateur videos from professional-looking content. When I first generated my video and saw the AI bring my clothing design to life, I literally got goosebumps. The fabric movement looks so realistic. Once your video finishes generating, look to the right side of your screen. We can see our new video appear as a thumbnail, and then we can click on it. The preview will open in the center of your screen. We can press play to watch it carefully from beginning to end. After that, we can check the quality of the generated video. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry, this is totally normal. You can regenerate the video with a new prompt by clicking on the prompt section again, clearing all previous prompts, and writing a new prompt. You can choose different elements if you want to test them out. Make sure it's detailed and specific. That leaves no room for the AI to create other things that cause errors or inconsistent lighting or faces. The super cute thing is, you can regenerate with small prompt changes without starting over. I usually try 2 to 3 variations to get the perfect result, so always adjust one variable at a time. If you change movement and lighting together, you won't know which factor improved the result. Here's what most people don't know. The AI learns from each generation, so your second attempt is almost always better than your first. But the real game changer comes in our final step. Step 4, exporting and optimizing for your brand. Now here comes my most important part, getting your video ready for the world to see. When I exported my first clothing brand video and posted it, people literally thought I hired a professional team. The quality was that good. After you are fully satisfied with the result, look for the download button. Then after that, it will direct it to your laptop. And this is where you need to pay attention. A lot of people struggle with their videos looking low res once they upload to Instagram, which is literally so frustrating when you've worked hard on a design. Here's what most people don't know. The export quality you choose affects how your brand is perceived. Always choose premium. Now, let me share something super exciting about getting access to this tool. Okay, so here's the thing I'm totally excited to share with you. Dzine AI is literally changing how clothing brands create content, and I want to make sure you can try it yourself. I've been using this tool for my own projects, and the results speak for themselves. What used to take me days of planning, hiring, and editing now takes literally 10 minutes. Let's be real about the numbers here. If you hired a professional videographer for clothing brand content, easily costs $2,000 to $5,000 per shoot. If you learn traditional video editing and 3D modeling, hundreds of hours and expensive software subscriptions. With Dzine AI, it costs less than your monthly coffee budget, and you get the same premium results. Now, I know what you're thinking, but will it look professional enough for my brand? I literally showed you the results. People think these are professionally shot videos. Is it too complicated for beginners? Did you see how simple those 4 steps were? If I can do it, you definitely can. The benefits are honestly incredible. You get immediate professional content, a social media feed that converts, massive financial savings, and the creative freedom to test any campaign idea instantly. So here's exactly what to do next. Click the link in the description to access Dzine AI. No special codes, no complicated sign up. Try the exact 4-step process I showed you today. Upload your model reference in clothing design, write a detailed prompt with background and movement, refine until it's perfect, then export for your platform. Drop a comment below and let me know what type of clothing brand videos you're planning to make. And if this tutorial helped you, smash that subscribe button because I'm always sharing the latest AI tools that actually work for real businesses. Remember, every day you wait is another day your competitors might discover this first. The fashion industry is moving fast, and AI video creation isn't just the future, it's happening right now.